Normally, in Snapchat, when you're online, your friends can see that you're online because the activity indicator is turned on. If you don't want others to know that you're online, you can disable this feature. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the activity indicator in Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. At the top, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on your profile photo. Once you do that, you'll see the Settings option. Click on Settings, then scroll down. As you scroll, you'll find an option called Privacy Control. Under that, you'll see the Activity Indicator option. Tap on the Activity Indicator button. Sometimes, it's turned on by default, which allows others to see when you're online. If you don't want this, simply turn it off. Once you've turned it off, even if you're online, others won't be able to see your activity status. That's how you can easily disable the activity indicator in Snapchat. We hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.